Hey everybody, Robert Russell here. Welcome to video 2 of selling auto and homeowners insurance over the phone. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things to give you kind of an idea on where I'm going with this. Today we're going to talk about niche websites. What this means is that I have set up 6 websites going after particular occupations. Now, these are occupations where the individual that you're calling is self-employed and they answer their own phone. That means that when you call this person, you will tell them that you're the broker for this website for the state that you get, and you specialize in auto and home insurance for self-employed people like yourself. So I'll give an example. I am calling realtors in the state of Texas. So I call them up and I tell them I'm the broker for real estate insurance plans for the state of Texas. Call and see if I can give you a quote on and then you go into whatever you want to quote on. You can call them and tell them that you're quoting on their car insurance. You specialize in car insurance for realtors in the state of Texas, or you specialize in homeowners insurance for the state of Texas, or whatever, depending on which state that you get. And what happens is that when you send them a quote, you're going to send them a quote. You're not going to try to sell them on the very first phone call. You're only going to send them a quote. They're going to be kind of shocked that you didn't try to sell them. And when they see the email signature, they're going to see your name with the website. And when they click on that website, they're going to look for their state, and they're going to find out that there's only one person representing their state on that particular website. It's you. That gives you instant credibility so that people know that you are legitimate, and they're going to give you some value when you call them back to do your follow-up call. So what I've done is I've created 6 niche websites, and I'm going to go over the purpose of each one of them. You might want to write this down. I will flash them on the screen up here so that you can look at them later, or you can always email me and I will send you that list. The first one is realestateinsuranceplans.com. This is going after realtors, loan officers, mortgage brokers, mortgage bankers, appraisers, home inspectors, anybody that touches a real estate transaction. Now, keep in mind, if you're going after the realtor market, this could be a double whammy for you because, number one, you can quote them on their personal auto and home insurance, and you can ask them to refer you business on any closings that they're going to have with their mortgage broker. If you're calling a mortgage broker, this is going to be huge for you because you will show them that you're the guru for that state, and they can be calling you to do quotes for all the loans that they're trying to close. The next website is Cosmetologyinsuranceplans.com. This one is going after barbers, cosmetologists, nail techs, anybody with a cosmetology license. So you'll basically call the cosmetologist, and I'll show you where to get free names and telephone numbers. I'm not going to try to sell you leads. I'm going to show you how to get this information free. You're going to call a cosmetologist. You're going to tell them that you're Joe Blow. You're the broker for cosmetology insurance plans for the state of whatever, California. You specialize in car insurance, or you specialize in homeowners insurance for cosmetologists. They're going to think that you are the guy and you take care of all the cosmetologists. And again, instant credibility. We'll go through more steps. You need to watch all of these videos so you can understand how this process is working. Right now, I'm doing this for life insurance agents where each person has a state, 6 websites, 50 states per website, and we're getting incredible amount of results from this. Number 3rd website is the National Coalition for Self-Employed. Look at it on the screen up there. It's nc4se.com. National Coalition for Self-Employed. This is more of a general website, not going after any particular self-employed occupation, but going after a more general self-employed individual, the National Coalition for Self-Employed. The next website is Masterminds Financial Group. This is going after white-collar, self-employed people. Right now, we offer life insurance and retirement plans. What I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to add property and casualty. So you could be one of the first people to grab a state on this website because this is going to be brand new for the P&C people. And you're going after white-collar people. Next website is Life Insurance Priced Right. These are people that are looking for life insurance, but they also see that you take care of the P&C for any life client that comes through. This is going to be a huge door opener for you too, because these are people that are shopping, and you can transition using the P&C for people that are looking for life insurance. Next website, myinsuranceShopping.com. This is going after all types of insurance, life, health, group, P&C, everything. You can be the broker for each state. So we'll go over that in a minute too. And the last website so far as of today, which is November the 29th, is ProfessionalsInsurancePlans.com. This is going after all professions, regardless of their income or occupation. These are going after all professionals. So when you call them, you'll tell them that you're the broker for ProfessionalsInsurancePlans.com, and you specialize in auto insurance or homeowners insurance for all the professionals in your state. The cost to grab a state is a one-time fee of $125. Once you get that state, it's yours. There's no production requirements. There's no way for me to track it. You will not be appointed under me because I don't have enough good contracts to appoint you under. But I can direct you with some good companies that can get you direct contracts with the companies. Even if you're a captive agent, like with Farmers or State Farm, I've got some companies that you can sell it through them and your name never comes up on a license check. Kind of tricky way of doing things, but there are companies that are set up just for you so that you don't lose your appointments with the captive companies. Here's another thing I want you to understand. You can do things the way that you've done, which is probably the way that we did things back in 1980 when I started. I actually started in 1985, and I used homeowners insurance doing X dates as my door opener. So for you people that are doing homeowners insurance and car insurance, these are great door openers. People want to talk to you, and I'm going to show you a system in some later videos where you can have a system where you can make 200 calls per hour. If you sit on the phone and do quotes and send out 30 quotes a day, you'll sell about at least 50% of those people. I can show you a system where you can sell about 15 apps a day, and you will call about 1,000 people per day. So those are your choices. You can sit and wait for the phone to ring. I know some of you do that. I don't understand what kind of thinking you have to just sit there and wait for somebody to call. To me, that's kind of lazy. Or you can be more proactive and actually call people who are breathing that have car insurance or homeowners insurance. In the state of Texas, where I'm from, it is a law that you have to have at least liability insurance. So to me, in my mind, every person who is 18 or over that has a driver's license is a prospect. So look at the number of people in the state that you represent. Look at the total population of 18-year-olds. Look at it by demographics, and you'll see that if you will get on the phone and ask, more than likely, a lot of people will let you send them a quote. Now, if you're able to sell them and beat what they've got, then that's a beautiful thing. But if you sit on the phone and call a few people and then you give up, you're not going to be successful. This plan is not for you. Go ahead and stop the video and just go work for McDonald's or someplace. So that concludes the niche websites. If you want to find out how you can grab a state on one of the 6 websites where you will be the only person representing that state, give me a call. My telephone number is 972-679-9029. Take a look at these websites, look around them, see which one you like, and then call me. We'll talk about sending you an invoice so that you can pay the $125. You'll grab a state, and that state is yours. You can grab as many as you want, by the way. So that's it for me. We'll see you to the next video, and I will explain more on this process and how it's working and how it's working right now for life insurance agents. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.